In the last years, the composites industry developed new needs in terms of durable and sustainable materials. Today, composite structures face challenges regarding damage sensitivity, maintenance costs, and recycling. Inspired by the self-healing properties of the human body, CompPair solution brings innovative pre-impregnated textiles to build healable and sustainable composite applications. These are more than prepregs. CompPair brings a 360-degree solution to the market, from part manufacturing to the end of life. Using CompPair products doesn't require upfront costs to run classic manufacturing. From the beginning of the research until the industrialization, CompPair target has been to achieve standard manufacturing and competitive performances, together with added functionalities. The first product family is a series of prepregs with a cure cycle at 140 degrees for 3 hours. Once these semi-products are used to build composite parts, these have a crack resistance up to 30% higher than average, while providing key added functionalities. Microcracks that are not repaired can lead to catastrophic failure. Damaged composites made with CompPair prepregs can heal those cracks, simply triggered by a heat source. Only 1 minute with a heat gun at around 150 degrees and the part is fully regenerated. This ultra-fast repair is in average 400 times faster than benchmark techniques, and this process is not possible only once, but many times. CompPair prepregs can be used to produce complex shapes. They have demonstrated their capacity in sandwich structures as well as their compatibility with traditional coating materials. They can be adopted in any composite market segment using the curing process proposed. CompPair has the potential to be implemented in the entire composites industry. We give manufacturers and OEMs an opportunity to reduce manufacturing defaults and repair costs. The 360-degree solution guarantees durability, resistance, and performance. Together, we can make a difference and build the world of tomorrow.